Hi everybody. Today we'll talk about the schedule monitor and how to get your notifications straight into your inbox. As you know, as soon as you have the schedule set up, then you also want to get notified in case there are any issues, right? So for that to happen, then we have to go to the account settings and to schedule monitor. As you can see here, you have two options. Option number one, which says default for service, and this option refers to the fact that the person that's being added under notify email will receive any errors that exist there. Meaning, if you have 10 schedules and two of them will error out, then that person will receive an email for those specific errors. So this is the default, meaning everything that's in there and any errors that there might be. And then option two is you get notifications separately for each of your schedules. So if you have 10 schedules and you want to notify different people, then you can do that. And you can do that by simply going to the line that indicates the schedule code, click on the pencil here, and you add the email address that is supposed to be notified. You can add, of course, multiple email addresses. You just have to separate them by a comma. And then once you added all the email addresses, you just click on this checkbox and you're done. That email will be displayed here. And then the next time the schedule runs, and if there's an error, that person will be notified via email. So you can do that for each of the schedules that you have on your service. And as I mentioned, you have to keep in mind that you can use both if you want. Someone can receive all notifications and be set up as the default email address, or then you have different people that can be set up as the notify email addresses for the other schedules. So that's something that you can do, and then the right person will be notified accordingly. So this is the easy way to do it. And of course, as soon as there's an error, emails will be sent out. The second part you'll see here next to the notify email would be the bounced on. So there are situations when we send the notifications to the email addresses, but then they bounce back. This can be related to different issues. It can be a firewall, it can be any kind of filtering on your side. So if you were receiving the notifications and then for some reason they stopped coming in, then you can reach out to us so we can check why it bounced back and see how we can address the issue. But for the most common scenarios, you would have the email address set up here, and then that person will receive all notifications, and it will indicate the link to the schedule, and then the error that has occurred. So then you can take action and look into it. One important thing is that you'll have here a section called maximum daily emails. So you will get a maximum of 10 per day. So we don't want to send more because then you would get too many notifications and you will be spammed. Of course, it's important to send the emails to you so that you can address them quickly. So this is how you would do it for your schedule. So go ahead and set up your notifications, and as soon as there's an error, you will be notified accordingly.